Most people think improving tap water at home requires something complicated, expensive systems, technical knowledge, ongoing maintenance. But that assumption is exactly what keeps them stuck. Because the real problem isn't the lack of solutions. It's how those solutions are perceived. At first, people try to ignore it. If the water looks clear, if it doesn't smell, it feels good enough, so nothing changes. Until doubt appears. Maybe it's a taste, a story they hear, something they read. And once that doubt is there, doing nothing no longer feels comfortable. So they look for solutions. The first option is usually filters. Easy to find, widely recommended. And for many, it feels like progress. Because now they're doing something. But over time, that simplicity starts to shift. Maintenance appears. Parts need replacing. Performance becomes uncertain. And what felt simple becomes something to manage. That's where frustration begins. Because improving water wasn't supposed to become a task. So people start asking a different question. Is there a simpler way? That's the turning point. The real issue isn't improving tap water. It's doing it in a way that fits daily life. The real issue isn't filtration. It's complexity over time. Because a solution only works if it stays simple. And that's why more people are starting to look at alternatives differently. Not more advanced. Not more technical. Just more practical. Some start exploring basic setups. Things they can understand, control, adjust, without relying on constant replacements or hidden processes. Because simplicity creates confidence. And confidence is what people are really looking for. Not just cleaner water, but a clearer system. Something predictable. Something they don't have to think about every day. If you want to explore how some people are approaching this in a simpler and more practical way, there's a structured breakdown in the description that shows how it works step by step. And if you're interested in content that helps simplify everyday decisions like this, consider subscribing. Because sometimes, the best solution is the one you can actually live with.